Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I am putting together my date night baskets tonight. I have 7 of these to do. This is number 1. So in this one I've included the Dove Women's Beauty Cream and the Men's Care Hydration. I've also put the shower steamers in here. There's popcorn and there's the spin wheel. I also have a box of pecan clusters in here. We have bath salts, towels, the massager, and a candle. And this is our date night basket. I will get a tally on how much this is right now, but it's not expensive to put together at all. All right, this basket will sell for $65 or more. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to put some fillers in to kind of fill up those holes. What I did was put some packing paper down at the bottom. Then I took some chipboard and cut it in the shape of the bucket here and put that down up under my items just to give them a little support to stand up. Yeah, in the back I used a heart as my backer. But this is a date night basket. And I think it looks great. I'll be making 6 more after this. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know down in the comments what you think and how much you would charge for this basket. Thank you for tuning in to the Crafty Corner where you're crafting with Katrina. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.